Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken Mythic in Fortnite. This powerful item can significantly boost your gameplay, offering unique abilities that can turn the tide of any match. We'll cover the key steps and strategies you need to follow to add this formidable item to your arsenal. Get ready to dominate the island with the power of the Kraken. Your journey to acquire the Kraken Mythic begins by dropping into designated Academy Tech Labs on the map. These locations are crucial starting points. Once there, make sure to meticulously loot every chest and break every destructible object. This process is vital for uncovering the initial steps or triggers required to make the Kraken Mythic appear. Often, obtaining mythic items involves defeating powerful adversaries. For the Kraken Mythic, you might need to eliminate players holding a special medallion or conquer a specific boss that drops it as a reward. Some creative maps also feature Kraken boss fights where you can earn powerful weapons. Be prepared for a tough fight to claim your prize. To maximize your chances, always prioritize landing in high loot areas and thoroughly searching every chest. Keep an eye out for opponents who might already possess a mythic item. Eliminating them is a direct way to claim it for yourself. Remember, persistence is key in Fortnite. Also, for easy meal prep, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals. Good luck out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.